question. Albert had come to me about getting tire and rim for the dump truck. So when I made this agenda, I thought it was for the dump truck, but Albert says that this particular item is the backhoe. Now, I had asked him, because we got a rim and a tire for a piece of equipment in the last meeting, because he's still swearing that this motion is for the backhoe. Let me see.
Well, he was supposed to get 3 quotes on that thing. I know he said he had one, and he was trying to get a couple other quotes for that.
There is at least 2 in there. So, I will get them. But, this. There it is. There they are. I said I didn't pull those out because at the time I was told that this was for the dump truck. Also, so since you're the roadmaster, I'm gonna ask you if you feel that those are sufficient quotes.
These are all, there's like 5 copies here, Michelle.
So the reason this is slightly disheveled, we had a workplace accident that we were dealing with, so Albert was a little bit
Steve. Here's that.
here's your wheel. Now everybody got them. So wheel and so I'm looking to you, Steve. You're probably more familiar with this. Well, this one here.
Apparently, it looks like there's more than one.
Yeah,
truck.
this one here he gave me has 6 tires.
Right, that's,
Now that has to be the dump truck that I was talking
right,
about,
right.
right? So
That should be right. That's
he
the
hit me
dump
with
truck.
information about a
Right.
dump truck and then told me when I put the dump truck on the agenda that this is supposed to be about the backhoe. So he said that today, but again, we had a slight incident or whatever. So
Well, the last
we could
meeting
table doing
approved-
anything about it until we get more information from Albert.
Right, yeah, the last meeting we approved the thing, that was for the backhoe, and that was,
That's what I told him,
right.
because they were unloading it off the thing and we made
Right,
the motion
right.
and that was for the backhoe.
Well,
Now,
we could just hold this and.
yeah, so when I put this on the agenda about he came to, Diana today and said that this is for the backhoe, and I told Diana that, no, we did that at the last meeting, that I put this on here because he requested about the dump truck. So we're tabling number 1.
Table them, hey,
So who's making
Okay.
a motion to table it then?
I'm making a motion to table it.
Was there an accident today?
No, there was a, minor eye injury from one of the people, that's all. No, there was no accidents.
right.
When I said there was a minor accident, meaning there was a workplace accident, but some dust in the eye or something.
Who's making a motion to table?
I made a motion to table.
Second.
Okay. Michelle, Chuck, all in favor? Yeah. Okay. Okay, discussion and motion to approve